I'm going to show you a couple of ways to manipulate IP addresses on nodes and interfaces in IMUNES. You can remove IPv4 or IPv6 addresses from nodes, auto-renumber nodes on the same segment with new IP addresses, remove IPv4 or IPv6 addresses from specific interfaces, or match IP addresses to subnets on specific interfaces. I use these tools quite a lot and they save me some time when working with IP addresses in topologies. First, let's demonstrate a couple of old node features, removing and auto-renumbering IP addresses. In the settings menu, you can select remove IPv4 or IPv6 addresses on a node. This removes all IP addresses from each physical interface. From the same menu, you can choose IPv4 or IPv6 auto-renumber for nodes on the same segment. This will automatically assign the next available IP address range to interfaces in that segment. You can also change the next available IP pool, so the next time you auto-renumber nodes, it will start with this prefix. This setting also applies when creating a new subnet. When a node joins an existing subnet, IMUNES traverses the broadcast domain and assigns the next available IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. If all existing IP addresses aren't already in the same subnet, IMUNES prioritizes assignment based on node type. So if I connect this PC to this switch, IMUNES will auto-assign IP addresses based on the nodes in the subnet following this order. External NAT connection nodes first, then router and NAT64 nodes, and finally the rest. As you can see in this case, it took the XNAT node IPv4 address and one of the router node's IPv6 addresses as the basis for assignment. A new feature in IMUNES is a right-click menu for node interfaces. This allows you to remove IP addresses or match an IP address per interface. To match an existing interface's IP address to the connected subnet, use this Interface Settings menu. Just select Match IPv4 or IPv6 subnet for that interface. There's also a menu for removing IP addresses from the interface. Of course, all of this is also available in exec mode and it works the same way. That's it. See you in the next one.